Okay, today we will tear down this one, the BMW Gen 6 battery. Okay, my name is 詹姆斯马，中文叫詹姆斯鱼啊。Okay, welcome to my channel. My channel is called 财神 Road. So today I bring some of the sale. Here is the BMW Gen 3. Here is the Tesla's Gen 1. This Gen 1. Okay. Compare with the two cell, you can saw each Gen 1 is not Gen 2. I doesn't get Gen 2, and I get Gen 1.5 from the US, but I tear down the Gen 1.5, so I doesn't get Gen 2. I think the limiting factor is get the Gen 2 and tear down one. So he have the data, and I will tear down this one and send the data to the limiting factor, and the limiting factor will plan to the program to detail compare these two types cylinder cells different. Okay. Today I also bring the Qilin. This is CATL's Qilin. Here's a Primetics battery, and his cylinder battery. I also bring the very famous 346 120. Come from the CATL. It's the first show for you. It's EV for BMW. It's also for BMW, another type cars. And here is another cylinder. Is come from the CALB. You can say these two types cylinder is different. It's different. Here is same structure with Tesla's Gen 1, because it's a ceiling close the battery. It's also ceiling, but the Gen 2 from Tesla is using the laser welding to inside of the seating. Okay. But this one is different with others battery, other cylinder. This one is a whole case. It's come from bottom to up. Others EV's battery is from up to the bottom and close ceiling from bottom. It's different. So the CALB is different to the other. It's same for 1865. Okay, bottom to up. The case is bottom to up, and the ceiling in the front. Okay, because once is the laser welding is in the bottom, so it's easy to output the electrolyte. So it's different for the Tesla and the EV. Okay, so let me measure the real size for the battery. So to protect the SC, so I marked the positive terminal. So let us measure the size. The real size 0. $97.5. Okay. Maybe here is the lab, the tap size, 76 cyclic. Okay. The diameter is 46.13. Let us to measure the weight. 416 0.4
Gram.
gram. Okay. This is CALB, the laser weighting in the front. But the EV is the sitting in the bottom. Okay. So it's different. It's different with CAPL and different for the Tesla's Gen 2. We can show this is a positive terminal, positive pole. So and we can have this dig a hole to weighting the posting inside with the positive collector desk. Then close this pole and then the laser weighting this hole. Compare with the Tesla one. Tesla is nothing in the positive. Tesla is nothing for the positive terminal. For the CALB also have the hole. It's easy to do welding within the inside structure. This one is EV's before one. This hole is small than the current one. This one is CATL. CATL is a